I'm at 3004 Woodbridge Avenue. This is right on the edge, Clark Fulton and Brooklyn Center. Metro Hospital is right there. So vinyl sided, it's got vinyl windows. This is a 2-unit home. Got a driveway, nice yard. And we've got, the back entrances here to the units. I am in the upstairs unit of 3004 Woodbridge. So you walk up the stairs and there's a bedroom immediately to the left. It's a good sized bedroom. Vinyl windows, again, you get the LVT flooring, freshly painted. There's another bedroom here. It's a big one, big bedroom, just like downstairs. Big, beautiful bedroom, big queen size bed in here, plus lots of other space. Got the closet over there. So we got bathroom, bedroom number 3. Then we got the living room, good size room. There is a little room over here. They've got some boxes and stuff, but that is an outside entrance. It goes downstairs to the backyard. Again, another view. So that's where you come up. Big kitchen, so eating kitchen. They don't have a table in here. There's plenty of room for a table. And like downstairs, we've got the laundry room half bath going on, which is a very nice feature to have in-suite laundry. I am in the down unit of 3004 Woodbridge. So you walk in, got a nice sized living room here, pretty freshly painted. We've got the LVT flooring. We've got a large bedroom off to the side. This should be a closet or not. Oh, okay, goes out to the hallway. So that's where I just was. I just opened that door. Got a bathroom here. Bedroom. So we got 3 bedrooms here. Nice big walk-in closet. That's great. Bedroom number 3, right here. Again, we've got the LVT throughout. Now we're heading back to the kitchen. Large kitchen. Really big, so super size eat-in kitchen here. And then we've got laundry and a half bath. Okay, let's go downstairs to the basement. Not a ton down here. It's partial. Get the hot water tanks. Look like they're in good shape. Direct vent. Furnace. Stone foundation. The rest is on crawl. And we've got the electrical boxes here. Sorry, a little dark.